United States Department of Agriculture logo. Baked carrot fries with yogurt sunflower seed butter dip. Recipe for children ages 3 through 5. Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. This recipe makes 6 servings, takes 5 minutes to prep, and 20 minutes to cook. Let's get started. Wash your hands for 20 seconds using soap and water. Lather hands and rinse off soap. Use a paper towel to dry hands. Turn on the oven and preheat to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. The recipe ingredients are shown on a cutting board. In a medium bowl, add 3/4 cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt and 3 tablespoons of sunflower seed butter. Stir to mix. Pour 4 cups of fresh baby carrots into a large bowl. Add 1½ teaspoons of canola oil and 1/8 teaspoon of salt to the large bowl with the carrots. Stir. Place a baking sheet on the counter and pour the carrots onto the sheet. Ensure the carrots are evenly spaced on the sheet. Place the baking sheet in the preheated oven. Bake for 20 minutes. Serve a 1/2 cup of carrot fries and 2 tablespoons of yogurt sunflower seed butter dip. The CACFP crediting for baked carrot fries with yogurt sunflower seed butter dip for children ages 3 through 5 is as follows. The serving size is a 1/2 cup of carrot fries and 2 tablespoons dip. It provides 1/2 cup vegetable and 1/2 ounce equivalent meat alternate. The source is the Team Nutrition CACFP Easy Recipe Project. United States Department of Agriculture bumper. USDA is an equal opportunity provider, employer, and lender. See complete recipe and more at www.fns.usda.gov/team-nutrition-recipes. QR code is shown with instructions to scan the QR code with your mobile device.